In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your phone number on Agoda. Whether you've switched providers, got a new number, or just need to make sure your account details are current, I'll guide you through this quick and simple process. So let's get started. First, open the web browser of your choice. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you're comfortable using. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar at the top of the screen and type in Agoda. Hit Enter and wait for the search results to appear. You'll want to select Agoda's official website from the results to ensure you're logging into the correct platform. Once you're on Agoda's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. In the top right corner of the screen, you should see an option to either sign in or log in. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you have your login details ready and that they're correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page again. This is where your profile icon should be displayed. It may appear as a small silhouette or possibly your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. With a click, a menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Profile. Doing so will take you to a new page where you can manage your personal account information. On this profile page, look for a section labeled User Details. This is where all your personal information associated with your account, such as your name and phone number, is listed. Under User Details, find your current phone number. Right next to this number, there should be an Edit button. Click on it, and you'll now have the option to enter your new phone number. Carefully type in your new number. It's important to double-check for any typos or mistakes. Agoda might require you to verify this new number as part of their security measures. Typically, this verification process involves receiving a one-time password, or OTP, sent to the number you've entered. When you receive this OTP, enter it as instructed to confirm it's really you making this change. Once you've completed the verification process, simply click the Save button to update your profile. And just like that, your new phone number should now be linked to your Agoda account. Remember, keeping your contact details updated is crucial for ensuring a smooth booking experience and receiving all important notifications from Agoda. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has made the process clear and easy to follow. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.